prepare an easy-to-make, on-the-go meal. So what we have here is SPAM Musubi. But then, in the morning, I always crave for eggs. And marami kami. So this time, bigyan natin ng konti boost. Tortang talong with salted egg puree. So what you do, salted egg, olive oil, blender, and then ito yung byproduct niya. Alright, we got our sticky rice. We got our mold. Let's put the tortang talong. Press it. Let's add some of this salted egg. So just like so. The beauty of a mold is that you evenly distribute whatever you're putting. Okay, now let's add some red onions, some chopped tomatoes, kumbaga parang salsa. Diba when you eat tortang talong, there's always salted egg, kamatis, red onions. But then, it's also good with spam. Perfectly sliced tostado spam. And I'm going to press it gently. I compress everything. I remove it from the mold. So I like using the rough part of the nori leaves to be as the outer layer, and then just lift it up and bowl of water, parang lumpia, and like so. Oh, let's do another one, yung medyo malinis. Eto maganda. So you see the rice, the torta, the salted egg, the salsa, the spam. Torta. Press it. Salted egg. Ito yung magbibigay alat sa ating dish. Then, lagyan natin ng tomatoes to give it that freshness. Red onions to give it a little bit of that punch. Top it off, our spam to give it that ultimate umami and comfort. Kasi in the morning, you're grumpy, you want something that will make you happy. And I believe you can't go wrong with having spam. Okay. Lift it. Now I'm using an offset spatula. There you go. Better, no? Better this time. Well,
Getting there. Getting there.
practice makes perfect. So, sige lang guys, yung una, syempre, pinifeel mo pa eh. So simple, but yung key dito is precision. Because you want it as even as possible, and you have to be gentle. Para siyang suman. Kala nila suman. Pero when they open it, surprise! It's the complete breakfast that hits the spot and brings back good childhood memories. So let's do 10 more. So meron tayong 16 pieces of our SPAM Musubi with tortang talong, salted egg, nakabalot sa banana leaves. Hindi ko sasabihin sa kanila kung ano to kasi at first siguro alayin nila suman to. Pero pag binuksan nila to, they will get the surprise of their life. Okay, let's go! Action.
I didn't know this was a thing.
Okay. Gutom kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Yes. So I have
Suman.
suman.
Yes.
Open it first.
Okay.
And then let me know what you think.
Right.
Boys,
Nicely wrapped.
catch, catch.
Snap.
Catch.
Uy. Uy.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Uy. SPAM Musubi, oh. Uy. Uy, 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 uy. Wow.
Catch.
Yeah, what's that?
Open it. Might remind you of your childhood.
Meron ba to? May...
Okay, can I tell you what it is? So, obviously it's a SPAM Musubi, but then there's tortang talong inside.
Ooh. You put sauce in it or just eat it?
It's good as it
You
is.
want sriracha, babe? There's sriracha.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sriracha. Very good. Oh, sriracha's here.
Yummy.
Amen. Dope so.
I think it's here. I think
Better if there is that.
Gano'n kataas gusto mo doon?
Winston,
What's this? 2 months?
open it first. Thank you, chef. It's good after a long morning.
Wow. Ooh.
Why ooh? Why
Nice
ooh?
surprise. Okay.
So basically, it's a SPAM Musubi with tortang talong.
Amazing.
Good, no?
Thank you.
The
So cute. Parang puso. Gutom din. I'm hungry.
yeah.
And I'm saying, like, what are you making, babe? Oh, I'm just experimenting, Mom. She'll bake something, but won't put any eggs or anything like that. I'm like, okay.